Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to add images on Wix. Now, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Wix editor. After navigating to this page, you'll have to simply click on this plus add elements button at the top left corner. Now, choose image from this, and after that, you'll see the option to upload and import an image. You can select free images from Wix, select free Wix illustrations, or you can also choose a custom logo. So we are going to add images by clicking on the upload and import button. Then choose upload images from this. Now click on upload from computer button. After that, you'll have to choose the image that you want to upload, then click on open. Now the image that you would have uploaded will appear in this section. After the image gets uploaded, click on it and select add to page. And as you can see, I just added this image on my Wix website. Now you can click on change image and change the image, edit the image by clicking the edit image button, navigate to Photo Studio, do the adjustment, click on save, and you can edit your image. Now you can also do the settings, design the image, crop the image, filter the image, animate this image, link this image, and get help with it. So that's how you add images to Wix. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.